People often ask me how to change the case of text in Excel and in Google Sheets. You can do this really easily using formulas. So whether you want to turn the text into uppercase or lowercase or even proper case, there's a formula for each of those. And that's what I'm going to show you now. Starting off in Google Sheets, I'm going to show you how to change all of these book names into lowercase, then uppercase, and then proper case. So starting off with lowercase, I make sure I click on the cell I want my formula to go into, and I'm going to type equals lower, and then an opening bracket. It's a very simple function. I just need to click on the cell that I want it to turn into lowercase, close my bracket and press enter. And in Google Sheets, it will ask me if I want it to automatically copy the formula down. So I'm going to click on that tick, and now I've got all of those book names in lowercase. This time, I want to change them into uppercase. So click on that cell there. It's going to be equals upper, open bracket, click on the cell, close the bracket, press enter, and then tick if I want it to copy it down for my other rows. And then finally, proper case will turn the first letter of each word into a capital. So it's equals proper, open bracket, click on the text you want to change, close the bracket and press enter. And this one didn't ask me to copy it down, but I can move over the little blue circle, get the black cross and double click to copy it down to the bottom of my list. So these three columns contain formulas now. If I want to turn them into text rather than keeping them as formulas, what I might want to do is to highlight all the cells containing the text that I want to turn into text rather than a formula. And then I do edit, copy, edit, paste special, values only. So it turns it back into text rather than being a formula. So it's the same in Excel. I'm going to switch into Excel now, and I'll do the same thing for you. So it's going to be equals lower, open bracket, click on the cell containing the text that I want to change, close the bracket and enter. So that's made that one lowercase. I'm going to move over the little green square, get the black cross, double click to copy the formula down. Uppercase equals upper, open bracket, click on the cell containing the text, close the bracket, press enter, move over the little corner, double click to copy it down. And finally, proper case equals proper, open bracket, select the cell, close the bracket, press enter, and double click to copy it down. If I no longer want the content of these cells to be a formula, if I want to turn it into text, exactly as I did in Google Sheets, I'm going to do a copy and paste values. So I'm going to do a copy, and then from the little arrow under the paste button, paste values. So this is no longer a formula, it's now just text. So there you go, 3 simple functions to ensure you get the text looking the way that you want it. If you have any questions or you need any help with Excel or Google Sheets for you or your team, please do get in touch.